Hey everybody, it's Charles, also known as the Humble Mechanic here. For the last few years, I have been able to be a guest at the CRP booth at Apex. And this year, I am super pumped to be able to hang out on the virtual road tour. For the rest of our time together, CRP members are going to be walking us through what's on the horizon for the CRP family of brands. So without further ado, hey Mark, what do you got for us?
Hello, I'm Mark Malone, the Pentosin Brand Director at CRP Automotive. And today we have two new motor oils to introduce to you. We first have the 0W20 FE for fuel economy. This motor oil has a 3.6% fuel savings compared to conventional motor oils. It comes with the BMW Long Life 17 FE spec as well as the Mercedes 229.71. The BMW spec, LL17 FE, is backwards compatible to the LL14 that you're familiar with. It comes with a recommendation for Volvo motor oils as well. As you can see, we added the specs, the approvals to the front label for better visibility when it's on a store shelf. Our second motor oil is the 5W30 HP2 Plus. You're familiar with our 5W40 HP2. This one has additional performance and additional specs within Mercedes, 229.51 and 229.52. It also has Dexos 2 spec from General Motors. If you get this approval, you have to have it on the front label as you see here. Additionally, the 5W30 HP2 Plus is recommended for the Chrysler MS-11106, which is a popular Jeep application. So these are our two new motor oils. For further information on these motor oils or any Pentosin product, please visit our website at pentosin.net.
All right, Charles the Humble Mechanic back to wrap things up. On behalf of the entire CRP team, I'd like to thank you guys for letting the virtual roadshow take a swing through your office today. CRP has never been more driven, and hopefully you learned a few things today. Now, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Please feel free to reach out to your CRP representative.